Hey everyone, Chris Green here from Certtech Web Solutions. Today I'm going to guide you through a quick and easy on-page SEO audit. The best part? You can do this in just about 10 minutes using the Detailed SEO Extension, and it's a super effective way to boost your rankings, potentially 10 times better. I promise to keep things simple and straightforward, focusing only on the most impactful elements of SEO, the essential 70% that really moves the needle. For this demonstration, I've randomly picked PeteThePlumber.com, a local plumbing business serving Calgary, Alberta. To follow along, you'll need the Detailed SEO extension installed on your Chrome browser, so make sure you've got it ready. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, let's quickly run through the 6 most critical components of on-page SEO that we'll audit: meta title, meta description, URL headers, H1, H2, H3, schema markup, image optimization. If you optimize these 6 areas properly for your target keywords, you should see noticeable ranking improvements within a month or so. Thankfully, the Detailed SEO extension simplifies auditing these points. Step 1. Keyword research. PeteThePlumber.com is a local plumber in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Let's ask ChatGPT to quickly provide primary and secondary keywords relevant to plumbing services in Calgary, Alberta. You could ask something simple like, I need primary and secondary keywords optimized for a plumbing service homepage in Calgary, Alberta, along with estimated search volumes and suggested placement. Once we get those keywords, we'll double-check their search volumes using the free tool at keywordintent.io, aiming for the highest volume on our primary keyword. Step 2. Doing the on-page SEO audit. Now, let's visit PeteThePlumber.com and activate the Detailed SEO extension. But before diving into specifics, we need to confirm something essential: whether the website is set to be indexed by Google. It's common for developers to accidentally leave the no index setting active, which stops your site from showing up in Google searches. Good news, the website is being indexed properly. Now we can move ahead confidently. 1. Meta title audit. The meta title is crucial because it's your main headline on Google. Ideally, it should clearly state your primary keyword, your location, and a unique selling point, all within 60 characters. Right now, the title says, Plumber Calgary, Plumbing Services Calgary, Pete the Plumber. It's good, but let's make it even better. Calgary Plumber, 24/7 Plumbing Services, Calgary, Pete the Plumber. By adding 24/7 plumbing, it clearly states the unique value the business offers. Second, meta description audit. The meta description also appears in Google searches. It should clearly communicate keywords, your location, what makes you special, and have a clear call to action. Keep it short, around 120 to 160 characters. Looking at Pete the Plumber's current description: experts in fast, reliable plumbing and emergency services. It's okay, but missing a clear, unique selling point. Let's enhance it. Calgary's top-rated plumbers for over 25 years, experts in hot water tanks, emergency repairs, and more. Call Pete the Plumber now, 403-257-1766. 3. URL audit. The URL here is simply PeteThePlumber.com, which is actually perfect since it clearly mentions the keyword plumber. This simplicity is already optimized for SEO. 4. Headers audit. Headings help Google clearly understand your content. You should ideally have just one H1 heading per page, clearly describing what the page is about. Currently, the site has 10 H1 tags. That's way too many, which will confuse Google's understanding of the content. The best practice is just one H1, ideal H1 example. Calgary's top-rated plumbers for over 25 years, experts in emergency repairs, and more. Now, let's optimize the H2 headings to include secondary keywords and locations clearly. Their current H2 is About Pete the Plumber. An improved H2 would look like Pete the Plumber, trusted 24/7 plumbing in Calgary. There's only one H3 heading which is well optimized. However, the site directly uses H4 headings after H1 without following logical structure. H1 to H2 to H3 to H4. Adjusting this improves your site's SEO significantly. 5th, schema audit. Using the Detailed SEO extension, We confirm the site properly uses local business schema. This clearly communicates your business info to Google, enhancing local search rankings. Nice work here. Image audit. For images, always add descriptive alt text. It's good for both accessibility and SEO. Right now, 8 of 14 images don't have alt text, and none have title tags. Adding keyword-rich alt text here is an easy SEO improvement. In just about 10 minutes, we've uncovered key on-page SEO areas to improve PeteThePlumber.com's rankings significantly. If you'd like help with optimizing your own website, just visit us at CerttechWeb.com. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow SEO tips.